spotlighting, right?
Yeah, I spotted you. You are this. Yeah, yeah,
Are you able to see my
yeah,
screen?
yeah.
Okay. Okay. We left off at 38. Today we will go from. Can you hear me?
இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தி பண்ண முடியுமா சவுண்டை சவுண்ட்?
சவுண்ட் அடிஷன் ஜாஸ்தி பண்ணுங்களேங்க.
யா,
Can you hear me now?
பெட்டர் பெட்டர்
Ah,
பெட்டர் ஜி.
can you hear? Increase the volume. Yeah. So, okay. Now we are going to see from 39 onwards. Can you hear me now? Better? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now you will see the fifth brother. Rama Sita, Rama Lakshmana, Shatrugna brother, then but now Gugan will also get added. So now they reach the Ganga Dhiram, and we will see how Gugan becomes the fifth brother. Na 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 ta ra na na ஏழை ஏதலல் கீழ்மகள் எண்ணாதரங்கே மற்றவர் கிண்ணருள் சூரந்து ஏழை ஏதலல் கீழ்மகள் எண்ணாதரங்கே மற்றவர் கில்லருள் சுரந்து மாழை மான்மட நோக்கி உன் தோழி உம்பி எம்பி என்றொழிந்திலை உம்பி எம்பி என்றொழிந்திலை உகந்து தோழன் நீ எனக்கருள் எனக்கிங்கொழி என்ற சொற்கள் வந்து உம்பி எம்பி என்றொழிந்தில்லை உகந்து தோழல் நீ எனக்கு இங்கு ஒழி என்ற சொற்கள் வந்து அடியேன் மனந்திருந்திட ஆழிவண்ணா ஆழிவண்ணா நில்லடி இடை அடைந்தேன் அணிபொழில் திருவரங்கத்தம்மானே அணிபொழில் திருவரங்கத்தம்மானே ஆழிவண்ணா நின் அடி இணை அடைந்தேன் அணிபொழில் திருவரங்கத்து அம்மானே திருவரங்கத்து ஆனே. This is about by Thirumangai Alvar. So he says like just like Gugan, and I am also like not in your same caste or anything, and you need to really give me, I am the same kind of blessings that you have done for. You have included Gugan in your life as a fifth brother, so you should include me and then give me so much of your blessing in abundance. That's what so this is taken from the Nalayara Divya Prabandham, I think Thiruvaimozhi by Thirumangai Alvar. So Gugan introduction here. மந்தசமீரே கங்காதீரே மந்தசமீரே கங்காதீரே ಮಂದಾರಮೂಲೆ ನಿಷಣ್ಣು ಮೈಥಿಲಿ ಸಹಿತಂ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣಗೀತಂ ಮೇಘಶ್ಯಾಮಳಂ ಸುಪ್ರಸನ್ನಂ ತದಶ ರಘುವೀರಂ ಕಿರಾದರಾಜಗ್ ದಯೆಯಾ ಶ್ರೀಶದಿ तं दयया श्लिष्यति किरादराजग दयया श्लिष्यति तं युवराजग तदश रघुवीरं किरादराजग तापसवेषं तपोधनपोषं तामरसाक्षम् अवलोक्य तापसहितः पापरहितः पृच्छति कुशलं भ्रातरं पृच्छति कुशलं भ्रातरं विलोक्य तदश रघुवीरं किरादराजः तत्त्वोपगारो कृतोपचारं श्रुत्वा गता किरातः नत्वा चरणं प्रेमिकवर्णं भक्त्यारुरोध भागवदग तदस रघुवीरं किरादराजग तदश रघुवीरं किरादराजग. Let's listen to the meaning and the along with the pasuram that I have given earlier. So now Brahmachandra Prabhu comes to Gangadhiram. You see that in the picture, Gangadhiram, and so every time, like people come looking for Rama, but this time Rama was looking for Guhan. So where is the Kiradaraja? And he is so compassionate to him. In Rama, he does not see any taradara. That means for him, everybody is the same. As long as you have so much of affection and devotion towards him, he considers him you are the same. So there is no difference. He does not even think that like Guhan is a poor person or person with jnana sunyam or no knowledge and a stupid person. He doesn't think like that. He's way below his grade, and he is a Kiraja Rajaga, and then whereas Ramaprabhu Ayodhya Chakravarti's son. So he's where is his status and where is Gugan's status? But he gives him a big hug. So he does not see any jati or jati hinan. He does not consider anybody below his caste, but only people who are below his caste is only people who are not devoted to him. If you are devoted to him, he considers you equal. That's so he is very, very compassionate with everyone. And Rama also in the first one we saw okay, we can go back to that one. So he saw that ஏழை ஏதலன் கீழ்மகன் என்னாது இறங்கி மற்றவர்க்கு இன்னருள் சுரண்டி இனிமையான அருள். He would pour arul on you or blessings, abundance blessings on you. And he is also introducing, the way he introduces Sita is very interesting. He says, like, look at Guha. She is your Tori, that Earth Mother's daughter, Sita Devi, Lakshmi Devi. He's showing her and then introducing her as your Tori. And also Lakshmanan is your Tambi, so your younger brother. That means he makes it clear that he is included as the one of the brothers of like Rama, Sita, Lakshmana. But not only that, always, like strictly speaking, Rama and Bharata, but because Lakshmana is always together with Rama, Rama was and Lakshmana, and then Bharata and Shatrugna. It went like that. So now he brings Guhan and he brings him in between. He pushes Lakshmana aside and he says, Guhan will be right after me, brother-wise, so that's what he says. So, Umbi Mb, என்று ஒழிந்தில்லை. So, your தம்பி, my தம்பி, same. Like that. He says, உகந்து தோழன் நீ எனக்கு இங்கு ஒழி என்ற சொற்கள் வந்து அடியேன் மனது இருந்திட ஆழிவண்ணா. So, like this is a reference of Thirumangai Alvar. So, you have really given asylum, or you have given so much of space inside you for this Guhan, and then you should give me also same thing. You could show the same arul towards me. That's what Thirumangai says. So let's see what Anna has to say, or Valmiki Ramayanam says. So he says the same thing. Kirada Rajagan, Tadasha Raghuviram Kirada Raja. That is Raman. Where is Rama and where is this Kirada Raja? Yuvaraja, that is Ramachandra Prabhu. Tamasa Vesham Tabodhana Povosham. Tamarasa. Okay, so he is like he is also like Gugan also asked for all the Kusalam. He is asking for Kusalam Vicharigan. So how are you? Do you have everything? Are you all right? Like that's a kind of a kind gestures coming from him, and Kusalam Vicharigan. Then he says, I am really very honored that you are coming here, and then make this as your place. And so he tries to protect him on the Ganga river, and also he gives him everything needed for him to go to the next station that Rama is supposed to go. So you will see that next station is Chitrakutam. So he is making arrangements for him, making Maravari and making everything needed for him, so that he can live in the Vanavasam without any problem. And so that's all about Guhan introduction in this series. Yeah. So Guhan is like so much of devotion, and Sita Devi looks at him, and she's very happy that Rama has really stolen Guhan's heart. The prema bhakti, Bharadan is shown, and then Guhan is shown, lots of bhakti. So all you need to have is surrender to Rama and have bhakti in your heart all the time. Rama will take care of you. That's a message by this Guhan character introduction here. So next one. So now Sumadran is there, and Rama asks Guhan to take care of. Guhan gives lots of food for Rama and Lakshmana and all. So Rama says, please give food to these horses, and they are very hungry. So he takes care of even the horses. He is the type to have karunyam towards everybody. That is Rama's character. Mercy towards all the Jandu and everything. And so Guhan hears all the stories about how Rama has to come here, and he feels so sorry for him. But he understands that Rama's mission is to protect all the Jandus in the world, like not only like human being. So he has taken this mission to go to Dandakarunyam, to save monkeys, to save elephants, to save all the other Jandus in the world. So he understands, okay, and then he prepares him very well for the next stop. That's where. Now Sumantran is really like standing there, and Lakshmanan is not able to take Rama wearing this Maravuri, and Rama thinks that it's only because of the Vidhi that Sumandra, Rama has to go through this ardent rule and ardent suffering, and he is going through. Vidhi only has to be blamed, nobody else has to be blamed. So let's see the song, and then we can do more explanation. श्रीरघुनन्दन करुणां स्मृत्वा श्रीरघुनन्दन करुणां स्मृत्वा द्रवति मनो मे सुमन्त्रा श्रीरघुनन्दन करुणां स्मृत्वा द्रवति मनो मे श्रीमन्दा श्रीरघुनन्दन करुणां स्मृत्वा द्रवति मनो मे सुमन्त्रा घोरभवाप्ति सन्तारण विषये घोरभवाप्ति सन्तारण विषये कारणं तस्य नागलये श्रीरघुनन्दन करुणां स्मृत्वा कृत्रकपि प्रमुखानां जन्मेतं कृत्रकपि प्रमुखानां जन्मेतं पापार्चितमिति जगति प्रसीतं कृत्रकवि प्रमुखानां जन्मेतं पापार्जितमिति जगति प्रसीतं कृपया ददिः पावनं कुर्याम् इति तच्चित्तं वनया सन्नतं श्रीरघुनन्दन करुणां स्मृत्वा द्रवति मनो मे सुमन्त्रा धर्मविहीनो अनाचारमपि धर्महीनो अनाचारमपि व्यादातिपमिह गुहं किल कृपया धर्मविहीनो अमानाचार अमपि व्यादातिपमिह गुहं किल कृपया धर्मात्मा परिरेपि विपुले धर्मात्मा परिरेपि विपुले वक्षति परिरब्धे सीतया श्रीरघुनन्दन करुणां स्मृत्वा द्रवति मनो मे सुमन्त्रा निरवधि प्रेम रसमिरपूरित निरवधि प्रेम रसामृतपूरित हृदयं रघुपतिं विस्मृत्यान्यं हृदयं रघुपतिं विस्मृत्यान्यं निर्दयं शूद्रं भजतो भजन्तौ निर्दयं शूद्रं भजतो भजन्तौ देवो मन्ये नागं कर्ण्यं नेवं मन्ये नागं कर्ण्यं श्रीरघुनन्दन करुणां स्मृत्वा द्रवति मनो मे सुमन्त्रा श्रीरघुनन्दन करुणां स्मृत्वा So it's very nice that hold on. I need to adjust this screen. Okay. Mm. So this is about Lakshman and Pulambal, or he's complaining or really like, telling himself we are not able to do anything. Lakshman is a go getter type. He wants to really fight for it and get things done. But in this time, he feels that this is nothing but only the vidhi, which is making it only ghora vidhi, ghora bhavapti santarana vishaye. That's all. Vidhidan karanam. Only the fate is doing all these things. We have no say in it. We can do nothing about it. That's what he says. Okay? So he says, like he is also. Rama has taken a sankalpam to go and protect everybody. So we have got no say in it, and so he says that dharma vihin, only people have to follow dharma. Whoever follows the dharma, Rama is there, and we have to protect that person. This is what they say. So he does an alinganam to Guham alinganam, and then he says, completely I am filled with Rama's devotion, and my heart is filled, bubbling with Rama's bhakti towards full-heartedly I am showing my bhakti towards Rama. And so he is really doing an alinganam to both Guha as well as to Sumandran, and then he kind of everybody accepts finally to the fate. Fate has got no say in anybody's life. So that's a message Rama is giving to everybody, and you follow the rule, you accept that. Now let's do. So you can see that Rama and Sita is completely for him. Let me go to the next one, next slide. Here, Rama himself says, Nagamam pradi sochami Lakshmana tvamevagam sochami Nagamam pradi sochami Lakshmana tvamevagam sochami agadavanasi Kimmaya Lakshmana Ayodhyam Gacha Dwaraya Nagamam Pradi Sochayami Lakshmana Tvamevagam Sochami Agadavanasi Kimmaya Lakshmana Ayodhyam Gacha Dwaraya Abala Murvila Manaya Lakshmana Kripaya Tvaya Sagavanaya Nagamam Pradi Sochami Lakshmana Tvamevagam Sochami Adavanagar Mevagacha Adavanagar Mevagacha Lakshmana Vritu Vidharam Abhiraksha Nagamam Pradi Sochami Lakshmana Tvamevagam Sochami Lakshmana Muchi Raghava Sadayo Ganga Gule Premika Devaga Nadam Pam Pradi सोच्यामि लक्ष्मण त्वामेवाहं सोचामि त्वामेवाहं सोचामि त्वामेवाहं सोचामि. Now Lakshmana is not convinced by Sumantran alone. Now Rama tries to console Lakshmana. So do not worry, everything you got left Urmila, and then you are coming to this forest, and Apala Murmila Manaya Lakshmana Kripaya Tvaya Sagavanaya. So you have come as a friend to me, to protect me. So do not work, like everything will be all right. It's our dharma to protect Ayodhya. So do not worry about it. So that's how now Lakshmana is getting consoled. He is not able to take this fate of Rama, and so he's so fond of Rama. Guhan is so fond of Rama. Everybody is in Ramayana character tells you some unique message to us, and Rama himself lives and by the rule of dharma. So dharma is Rama, and compassion is Rama, and devotion is Rama, sincerity is Rama. That is Rama. So with that I will conclude today's thing, and we will go to tomorrow we will do the other things. Now after this Gangadhiram, they move on to Chitrakutam. So Chitrakuta Vanam, so they build the hut and everything very happily. They stay there looking at the birds and trees, and with Sita's company. So that will be a very nice part in Ramayana. So Sita makes everything very lively by looking at the birds and things, and then she's a very happy lady. Then in her company everybody will be very, very happy. So you'll see a lot more of happy moments that Rama and Sita go through in this forest. Okay. So Janaki Kanta Smaranam, Jai Jai Ram Rama. Thank you very much.
கீதாஜி, தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். இன்னைக்கு குஹனோட இது சொன்னேன், ரொம்ப அழகாக இருந்தது. லக்ஷ்மணோட கோபம், குஹனோட பக்தி எல்லாம். ஸோ தட் வாஸ் ஸோ குட் டு ஹியர் ஃப்ரம் யூ கீதாஜி. எவ்ரி வீக் யூ கம் அண்ட் ரெக்வஸ்ட் பண்ணோடனே உடனே நோ சொன்னதே கிடையாது நீங்கள். ஸோ வென்எவர் ஐ ஆஸ்க் யூ ஜஸ்ட் கம் அண்ட் ஜஸ்ட் காட் பகவானுக்காக நீங்கள் எல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். கேட்கறதுக்கும் ஒரு இது வேணும் ஆக்சுவலாக. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் கம்மிங் அண்ட் ப்ரெசென்டிங் திஸ். வில் கால் யூ அகெயின். மறுபடியும் கூப்பிட்றோம் நாங்கள். ப்ளீஸ் டூ கம் அண்ட் finish this Raghav Shadagam. Thank you so much, Geetaji.
Thank you very much.
Thank you all who joined today. Today we started our satsang with the Sahasranamam by Srimati Deepika. Deepika, thank you so much for coming and chanting Vishnu Sahasranamam. That was really awesome. Please do come again and chant for us. And we had Danya singing Nagumomu. Danya, that was really great, Kanna. You have a nice voice. Please come again and sing for us in LKS, participate in LKS. And we had Samant, wonderful chanting of both Ashtagams. Thank you, Samant. It was really great to see you chanting. So please come again and chant, sing. Thank you so much, Kana, for participating. And then we had our own Geeta Ji for Raghav Shadagam. Thank you, Geeta Ji, so much for coming and participating. And எங்களுக்காக நீங்கள் வந்து ராகவ் ஷடகத்தை படித்து எங்களுக்கு வந்து புண்ணியத்தை சேர்க்குற. தட்ஸ் வாட் ஐ வாண்ட் டு சே. ஸோ தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் கீதாஜி. வித் தட் நோட் I would like to end the session with Lokashama mantra. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Harihi Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Thank you all. See you all next week. Till then, bye bye. Good night. Have a good day.